I gotta tell you, that little modification right there, that is night and day crawling on the ground, pushing that thing through a log. I gotta tell you, I can't remember the guy's name that had the idea of putting a handle on it, but as soon as I seen what he done, I knew I had no push lawnmower that didn't run and it had a handle on it. And all I did was I took some 5/16 carriage bolts, lock washers, nuts, put them in there, and I mean, it's not super duper super sturdy, but I'm not pushing on it really that hard. I'm just guiding it, and the vibration is so small. I didn't have to stop for nothing but to keep the chain from digging in. But wow, awesome idea. I'm gonna look your name up. The guy that I first seen this on was on one of the marketplace chainsaw milling, I think. But I will definitely have to reach back out to him and give him credit for that, because that's an awesome idea.